Hi everyone, I am Felipe Pinzon, President and CEO of Hispanic Unity of Florida. Let me offer my congratulations to all of you for completing this very important fellowship. Being here to celebrate with you today is a great honor. This ceremony is designed to mark the end of one phase of your lives and the beginning of the next one. Please continue to choose education, take risks, don't be afraid of making mistakes, and never stop dreaming and creating a better future for yourselves and others. What I have learned over the years is the following: you cannot do it alone. Please listen. Say yes. Get on the train. Do not miss opportunities to do great things. Live in the moment. Make these choices early and very often. Learn from every mistake, as I said before, because every experience, encounter, and particularly your mistakes, are there to teach you and force you into being more who you are. Travel, get rich if you can, innovate, lead, and please fall in love. I want you to live passionate lives. I want you to engage people who are different from you. But as you do, I want you to live and speak with integrity. And do not forget to be kind all the time. I want you to know today that we are extremely proud of all of you.
I am Kathleen Cannon, the President and CEO of United Way of Broward County. I want to congratulate you guys for graduating the fellowship program. This is an important piece to being who you are, to being bold, unstoppable, authentic, for realizing your dreams. I want you guys to go and tackle everything that comes your way. You're more equipped now. Let's continue to lead with our heart, but with our head as well. Be proud of who you are. Speak up, speak out. I am so looking forward to meeting some of you. I am available to be your mentor, to assist in any way that I can. I am so incredibly proud of what you have accomplished and looking forward to next steps. Go get them, and congratulations.
Good evening, and congratulations on making it to the finish line. I'm Senator Shevrin Jones, proudly representing Florida Senate District 35. I'm so proud of each and every one of you for dedicating your time and efforts to complete the YV Foundation Fellowship. I also would like to take the time to congratulate the parents and YV Foundation staff for investing in our students and pushing them towards success through this phenomenal program. Students, I commend you all for putting in the work to better yourselves for your futures. From public speaking to financial literacy, you all have taken the time to master a variety of skills through the YV Fellowship to give yourself an advantage among your peers as you prepare for both college and the workplace. I would encourage you all to continue honing these skills to enhance and advance this rapidly changing world in which we live. Never forget, you all are the now. On behalf of the Florida Senate, we wish you all the best of luck in your future endeavors. Today is just the beginning of your journeys forever. Congratulations.